quick step recipes
Yeah.
because they they will either utilize specific staple ingredients that we always have on hand, or they might have like minor convenience items. I was like, what is
Yeah.
the word? So that could be like a rotisserie chicken, right?
Yeah. And
That we don't always have on hand,
no,
but
we don't.
that's the type of convenience item we're talking
But
about.
but speaking on rotisserie chicken alone, that can lend so much variety to it itself. Because just because you have a rotisserie chicken doesn't mean that it just has to be chicken on a plate.
No,
Like you can shred it up, put it in tacos. You can put it really on anything.
exactly. So, and for staple ingredients, like what we always have are things like pasta, rice,
Yeah.
tomato products, beans,
Yeah.
because you can very easily utilize them to make meals. And
Yeah.
it's a quick and easy way to do that. Especially like most pasta dishes are done in like 30 minutes or less.
Yeah. Which is fantastic because if you're really looking for a quick meal and you're like, I don't have too much time to cook,
Mm-hmm.
throw yourself a pasta dish together
Yeah.
and you'll be ready to eat in that. Like you said, 30 minutes or less.